Hi friends, welcome to Made by Mama. And yes, I am a mama of one, but I cook a lot, believe it or not. So today we're going to cook Spanish style sardines using milk fish. Milk fish is also Bangus, which is the national fish of the Philippines. So welcome, let's do this. So here you have the ingredients. Of course, the milk fish already cleaned and salted. Green and red, very hot peppers. Next time I'm going to use red of this one because I like the color of them. Carrots, you have bay leaves. Pepperoncino, which is pepper flakes. Peppercorns, Hawaiian salt, pink salt. Pickles, and of course, green olives. You can have with or without the pimenton. Make sure it's green olives, don't use the black one. Most importantly, you need a good quality olive oil. Really good quality. Alrighty, let's start. Okay, so first we have to put our carrots underneath the pan so that the fish won't stick in there. And we have to put half of the garlic, half of the olives, half of the pickles, half of the peppercorn, half of the bay leaves, and also half of the hot chili. And then let's start stacking up our fish. Okay, and then the other half of the ingredients on top. Some people, they put a little bit of the pickle juice, but I was a little hesitant today. And then we're going to just put the pepperoncino, which is the hot pepper flakes, and a little bit of the salt, the Hawaiian salt. And as I've said, you don't need to have pink or Hawaiian salt if you don't have it handy, but I just happen to like it. And 1.5 liters of olive oil, a good quality olive oil. Already looking beautiful. Wow, look at the color. I love it already. So do you see here, friends? The olive oil needs to be on top of all your ingredients. See, the olive oil, everything is underneath the olive oil. So I guess I used just like 1 liter because I did not put everything. So 1.25 liters maybe, because I still have a little bit here. So we're going to cook this in my electric cooker here. The maximum heat on this is 450, but I'm just going to put it on 350 for 2 hours. I'm gonna check it in 2 hours. And I will update you if it will take 2 to 3 hours to cook this. But if you have a pressure cooker, it will only take 45 minutes. And then open the pressure cooker. Of course, do what you need to do with the pressure cooker. And then just let it boil for like 10-15 minutes without the top of your pressure cooker. If you are using a stove top, put it on like a at the beginning, medium high, and when it starts to boil, maybe only just medium low for 2 hours. And I'll keep you updated what's going to happen in 2 hours, because the bones of the fish needs to be very, very, very tender that you can even eat them. So we've got to check. Alrighty, see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the way it should be simmering, and this is how it should be. Okay, for a total of 2 hours. Hello friends, so this has been cooking for, actually simmering in a high temperature simmer. It was 2.5 hours. I have not checked how the bone of the fish is how tender it is yet. We will reveal it right now. Here we go. This is the Spanish Style Sardines, milkfish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This milkfish or bangus has a lot of, you need to know where the bones are. Okay. Ready? It's really good. I love it. And it's not salty. Now, this, see the, oh, so hard. See the bone, how it breaks, how the bone breaks. Put it up a little bit, please. See how the bone breaks. So that's it. This is really, really good. Friends, I'm gonna include family, friends and family. I have not been including family, but friends and family. Whenever you want to come to my house, request for Spanish Style Sardines. And by the way, you can do this with the mackerel, of course with the sardine fish, but it just so happened today this is the fish that I have at, in my fridge. Mackerel is really good. You can also do with salmon. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Made by Mama. Bye.